This video showcases the capabilities of the Bandit Model 4680XP horizontal grinder, also known as the Beast. It is the largest and most efficient machine in the Beast series, capable of processing massive materials such as large diameter stumps and entire trees, transforming them into high-quality end products in a single grinding pass. The intake and feeding stage plays a crucial role in the operation of the Bandit Beast 4680XP. This is not only the first step but also a key factor in determining the overall efficiency of the grinding process. Right from the start, it is evident that the machine is designed to handle large, rough, and difficult-to-grind logs that smaller systems cannot efficiently process. The deep-cut feed conveyor, combined with a hydraulic arm and spiked feed roller system, ensures that the wood is properly positioned and remains stable throughout the grinding process. A standout feature is the load sensing technology, an intelligent system that adjusts the feed rate in real time. This not only protects the machine from overloading but also optimizes grinding speed, ensuring a continuous, uninterrupted process. Another key aspect is the controlled feeding mechanism of the grinding drum. Thanks to the powerful feed roller system, materials are securely held in place without bouncing back, making the grinding process safer and more efficient. The intake and feeding stage is a testament to the advanced engineering of the Bandit Beast 4680XP. It not only ensures smooth machine operation but also maximizes efficiency in processing hardwood and large materials. Massive logs, with diameters reaching up to a meter, are loaded onto the feed conveyor. The machine features an intelligent sensor system that automatically adjusts the feed rate to maintain a seamless grinding process without clogging. As the material enters the grinding chamber, the high-speed grinding drum engages 60 ultra-durable carbide teeth. These teeth immediately shred, chip, and cut through the log layer by layer, reducing it into smaller wood fragments. Even the toughest logs are no challenge for the Bandit Beast 4680XP, thanks to its powerful hydraulic feed rollers. These rollers firmly grip the material, preventing it from bouncing back under the impact force of the grinding drum. At the same time, the system adjusts grinding pressure, ensuring the wood is processed efficiently without being ground too quickly or too slowly. In just a few seconds, large logs are shredded and broken down into uniformly sized wood chips. If any pieces do not meet the required size, they are automatically redirected back into the grinding chamber for further processing. The properly sized wood chips are discharged through the output conveyor. The machine can be adjusted to produce different chip sizes, making them suitable for biomass fuel, composite wood production, or wood waste recycling. The Bandit Beast 4680XP has truly showcased its exceptional power in this video. With ultra-fast grinding speed and the ability to handle even the hardest wood effortlessly, this machine significantly enhances productivity and optimizes the entire processing workflow. Massive logs, including entire tree trunks and stumps, are being loaded onto the feed conveyor. Look at that! The conveyor gradually moves the material into the grinding chamber. With its wide 45 by 60-inch intake opening, the Bandit Beast 4680XP effortlessly handles bulky wood pieces. The load sensing system automatically adjusts the feed speed, preventing overload and ensuring smooth operation. Now, the wood has entered the grinding chamber. Pay close attention to the high-speed grinding drum, equipped with 60 razor-sharp cutting teeth, shredding even the toughest logs within seconds. These specially designed teeth grip the material securely, preventing it from bouncing back during grinding. The entire process happens in just a few moments, but the results are truly impressive. Once ground into smaller pieces, the wood chips pass through the screening system. At this stage, the machine sorts the chips by size. Smaller pieces fall through for collection, while larger fragments are sent back into the grinding chamber for further processing. This mechanism ensures a consistent, uniform product, suitable for a variety of applications. Look at that. The processed wood chips are now being discharged through the output conveyor. If sawdust or different chip sizes are needed, the operator can easily adjust the screen mesh or conveyor speed. This process maximizes efficiency and minimizes material waste. Now, the grinding process is complete and the wood chips are ready for use. They can be immediately utilized for wood pellet production, biomass fuel, or the woodworking industry. Larger chips can be repurposed for landscaping, trails, or further recycling into valuable materials. The output conveyor system ensures the finished wood chips are efficiently discharged. It can be adjusted in angle to directly load onto trucks or storage bins, optimizing the collection process. Some models even feature an integrated air assist system that blows the chips farther, reducing material loss. The final product can be used in plywood production, biomass energy, or wood waste recycling, ensuring that scrap wood is fully utilized rather than wasted, adding economic value while supporting environmental sustainability. With remarkable power, the Bandit Beast 4680XP not only grinds the toughest logs but also optimizes industrial wood processing. If you're looking for a high-efficiency wood grinding solution, this is definitely a machine you don't want to miss. We are currently at a large wood collection site, where birch treetops have just been transported after the forest harvesting process. The main trunks have been processed for the sawn timber industry, while the branches and treetops will be utilized for wood chip production, serving various purposes. These birch treetops have diameters ranging from 30 to 60 centimeters, with lengths of up to 10 to 15 meters. They still have their branches and leaves intact, making processing difficult without specialized equipment. However, with the Morbark 4036 wood chipper, everything will be handled efficiently and quickly. Before being fed into the chipper, the raw materials are stacked into large piles to optimize the feeding process. Birch trees have soft trunks, thin bark, but high elasticity, so the chipping process requires a sharp knife system to ensure the best performance. The feed system of the Morbark 4036 chipper is designed to handle dense bundles of wood without the need for prior cutting. This significantly reduces time and effort during operation. A large bundle of birch treetops is being lifted by a crane into the feeding area. With their large size and dense branches, without a powerful feeding system, they could easily get stuck or take a long time to process. The Morbark 4036 is equipped with a conveyor feed system combined with hydraulic compression rollers, allowing materials to be smoothly pulled and pushed into the chipping drum. The compression rollers have metal spikes that grip the tree bark firmly, preventing slipping or jamming. Upon closer observation, we can see the treetops being gradually pulled into the chipping chamber. The wide feed opening design allows the machine to accept large bundles of wood without the need for pre-processing. This optimizes productivity, especially when operating in large-scale industrial environments. The wood begins to enter the chipping area. Before us is the heart of the machine, the Advantage 3 chipping drum, with a massive 40-inch diameter. This drum spins at an extremely high speed, reaching up to 1,200 RPM, generating an incredibly powerful cutting force. Inside the feeding system, the feed rate can be adjusted based on the type of wood and material size. If the treetops are too large or have many branches, the speed will decrease to ensure efficient processing without overloading the machine. One of the key strengths of the Morbark 4036 is that its feeding system is not only powerful but also fuel efficient. The machine utilizes a direct drive mechanism, reducing energy loss and optimizing operational efficiency. Next, the bundles of birch trees are gently lifted by the grapple arm of the transport vehicle and placed onto the feed conveyor. The Morbark 4036's feeding system operates with great power, using a deep groove conveyor and a pair of compression rollers to firmly pull the branches into the chipper. The serrated teeth on the rollers ensure that the material does not slip or bounce back, allowing for a smooth and continuous feeding process. Inside the machine, intelligent sensors monitor the size and hardness of the wood, automatically adjusting the feed rate to maintain optimal performance. If a foreign object like a rock or metal is detected, the safety system immediately stops the machine to protect the blades from damage. The sharp knives on the chipping drum make contact with the wood, slicing it into thin pieces. With an offset design, each drum rotation cuts a portion of the wood, ensuring a continuous and efficient chipping process. The wood is rapidly shredded into uniformly sized wood chips. If you look closely, you'll see the wood fragments being ejected from the drum at an extremely high speed, showcasing the sheer power of this machine. But the process doesn't stop at chipping. The freshly cut wood chips pass through a screening system to ensure they meet the required size standards. If a wood chip is too large, it is retained and redirected back to the chipping drum for further reduction. Thanks to this control system, the output is always uniform and meets industrial standards. The properly sized wood chips are then transported via the discharge conveyor, where they are collected and moved to the designated storage area. In just a few minutes, the large bundles of birch treetops are efficiently processed into high-quality wood chips. This showcases the incredible performance of the Morbark 4036, a powerful and reliable machine in the biomass industry. The wood chips continue their journey, potentially becoming biomass fuel, raw material for paper production, or bedding for livestock. This process not only maximizes the use of forest resources but also contributes to a circular economy, reducing waste and optimizing the value of every part of the tree. After chipping, the wood chips exit the machine via the discharge conveyor. An integrated air blower helps propel the chips forward, preventing blockages. The chips then fall into a storage bin or directly onto a specialized truck, ready to be transported to paper mills, biomass pellet plants, or used as agricultural bedding material. With the intelligent design of the Morbark 4036, chip trucks can quickly reach their maximum legal load capacity, optimizing transportation costs and enhancing overall operational efficiency. After exiting the chipper, the wood chips travel along a transfer conveyor to be loaded into a truck. A crucial step in this process is properly regulating the flow of wood chips to ensure the truck is evenly filled. If the chips accumulate on one side, the truck may become unbalanced during transport, posing a safety risk. Thanks to its load adjustment system, the Morbark 4036 helps trucks reach their maximum legal load capacity, minimizing the number of transport trips, reducing costs, and improving overall efficiency. Once the truck is full, a protective tarp or specialized container is used to secure the wood chips during transport. This prevents material loss along the way, especially over long distances or in windy conditions. With its advanced collection system and optimized process, the Morbark 4036 not only enhances collection efficiency but also ensures that wood chips are transported in the most cost-effective and reliable manner. After being collected and delivered to processing plants or manufacturing facilities, birch wood chips from the Morbark 4036 are sorted and utilized for various purposes. This valuable resource contributes to multiple industries and applications, including biomass fuel paper and pulp production, livestock bedding, and agriculture, landscaping, and gardening. The versatility of these wood chips underscores their importance in both industrial and everyday applications, making the Morbark 4036 an essential machine for efficient and sustainable wood processing.